Welcome, children. Don't be frightened. That's it. Take a step inward, into a place where urban myth and dark legends run amok. Walk with me at moonlight along the banks of a dark and murky river. Come closer. That's it. Step into my world. An embodiment of mystic legend, an embellishment of the supernatural. Follow me inward and let me transform you into a ghoulish facade, thwarted in vain from her drowned children. And this legend begins along the banks of the Rio Grande, La Llorona. Centuries ago, a woman in a fit of rage drowned her children in the river as revenge against her husband's infidelities. When she came to, she was so distraught and began searching for her lost children, drowning herself in the process. Different accounts of the story are told and retold, but the woman remains trapped between the living and the spirit world, doomed to wander the riverbanks for all eternity, weeping in vain, searching for her lost children. Create this macabre look for a sinister, ominous appearance, and resurrect La Llorona. Join me again soon as we morph into a creature that's truly out of this world.